Surgery is the only technique. So I just read this comment today in YouTube and it made me laugh. And I'll tell you why it made me laugh, because he said, surgery is the only solution for this. Don't trust these other techniques, which won't help you. I've done myself the surgery 4 days ago. Feels better. Just go get surgery done. That's the only permanent solution for this problem. He's speaking about hiatal hernias. What a shame. This guy just got the surgery 4 days ago. He's not a specialist by any means on the topic. Got the surgery 4 days ago and says it's the only way. It's because now he's watching our videos and realizing, oh God, there is another way to correct and pull the stomach down into the correct position without surgery. And so now he's like, yikes. And now he's bashing this technique because he had an irreversible technique done. Now you can have the surgery reversed. Why would you want them to go in again and create more scar tissue to reverse the surgery? You shouldn't have gotten it in the first place. And I love that we had another guy comment, a surgeon comment, you can have it reversed, you're wrong. Like, yeah, you can have it reversed. It can also reverse itself. In fact, it usually reverses itself without you even intervening in it, doc. So, I mean, okay, for all of you that have had surgery and still have all the symptoms and it failed, please comment below, okay? And for all of you that had the surgery, you know, if you had it 4 days ago, yeah, you're gonna probably feel a little better, you know? Catch up with me in 5 years, big guy. We'll see how you're doing. And then, I guess you could have them go back in surgically and undo what they did. Why? Why even get it in the first place? You would always try conservative therapies first, always, with anything, with any healthcare related issue. You don't go for the surgery, the excavating surgery first. You go for the conservative approaches first. And the Reflux Shield is exactly that, exactly. It is a conservative approach that has zero side effects, zero refills. It's your money back if you're not satisfied, and it's safe. It's so safe. It's so simple. It's a technique that's been used for decades. The research is on my website. I didn't make this technique up like some of these people suggest, and usually those people are surgeons or people that have already had the surgery and they're kicking themselves because they know they should have tried the conservative approach that is reversible without surgery, right? There's no reversing anything that you do with the Reflux Shield. It's an osteopathic technique that pulls the stomach down outside of the body, right? No staples, no surgery involved, and no surgery needed. So that was a funny comment for me. And I had to reply to it because he's totally misinformed. Stay informed. 4 videos coming out every week. And we have Facebook and Instagram, Reflux Shield, Facebook and Instagram, Synergy Wellness, my practice where you can see patients being treated. This isn't a scam. You'll actually see patients having this treatment done, okay? So keep your eye on the ball. And if you've had surgery, I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.